Hello students, today we are going to start first chapter of class 11 chemistry. So we will study the first chapter of chemistry, which is basic concept of chemistry. In this we see why chemistry is important and which chemical we use and what are the significant. How it helps us in many ways. What is a significant figure? What is an element? What is a mixture? All these basic we will not do. We will tell you what is a chemical combination and we will tell you that what is the law of combination. So the law of chemical combination we will study today. There are 5 big laws in chemistry who decide how the element will combine and form compound. So a mass of one element form compound form with other element. In which percentage it will react, in how many moles, which gas will divide in which ratio. All these things are decided by 5 laws, says laws of chemical combination. Now we start law of conservation of mass. So the law of conservation says that in chemistry, when two compounds are combined, they form a new compound. कंपाउंड ए एंड बी एक साथ कंबाइन होके ए बी फॉर्म करते हैं. देन द मास ऑफ टू कंपाउंड ऑन वन साइड is equal to newly formed compound. That means mass can be neither be created nor be destroyed. It means the sum of the mass of reactant should be equal to sum of the mass of product. For example, carbon react with oxygen and form carbon dioxide. Here carbon molecule, mass of carbon 12, mass of oxygen 16 into 2, then 12 carbon for oxygen 16 into 2, 12 plus 32 is equal to 44. Same here, 12 plus 32 is equal to 44. Sum of the mass of reactant is equal to sum of the mass of product. Nowadays, this law is not applicable because in some reactions E is equal to delta mc square. So in this type of reaction, some energy is released. So the mass is different from reactant and different product. Now we are discussed which type of questions was based on this law. The question is 1.5 gram of ethane on complete combustion give 4.4 gram of CO2 and 2.7 gram of H2O, so that the reaction obey law of conservation of mass. So we solve it. At first we write a reaction ethane on complete combustion. Formula of ethane C2H6 combustion plus oxygen gives carbon dioxide plus water and some heat. Now we are balancing the reaction. 2 6. Twice C2H6 plus 7O2 gives 4CO2 plus 6H2O plus heat. क्वेश्चन में हमें इथेन का मास दिया है 1.5, कार्बन का मास दिया है 4.4 एंड वाटर का 2.7. You know that sum of the reactant is equal to sum of product. सो हमें यहाँ पे ऑक्सीजन का मास नहीं पता, ये हमें फाइंड आउट करना है, जिससे हम इसका सम अप निकालेंगे एंड इसका सम अप. एट फर्स्ट, नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ ethane. You know very well, mass upon molar mass. मास हमें दिया है 1.5, मोलर मास, कार्बन का मास प्लस हाइड्रोजन का मास. कार्बन 2 मोल है, 2 मॉलिक्यूल, सो 12 into 2 plus 6 into 1 is equal to 1.5 upon 30 is equal to 1 upon 20 is equal to 0.05 mole. In reaction, 2 mole of C2H6 7 मोल ऑफ ऑक्सीजन के साथ रिएक्ट कर रहे हैं. किसके साथ? 7 मोल ऑफ ऑक्सीजन. देन 0.05 मोल ऑफ इथेन कितने ऑक्सीजन के साथ रिएक्ट करेगा? 7/2 इंटू 0.05 इज इक्वल टू 7/40 मोल ऑक्सीजन. नाउ number of moles of oxygen is equal to mass upon molar mass. Number of moles 7/40 is equal to mass, ये हमें निकालना है, upon molar mass. ऑक्सीजन 16 into 2 is equal to x/32. So x is equal to 5.6 ग्राम. अब हम देखेंगे लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन में. हमें इथेन का मास पता है, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का पता है, वाटर का पता है, और अब ऑक्सीजन का भी पता है. नाउ मास ऑफ ऑक्सीजन 5.6 ग्राम. सम ऑफ रिएक्टेंट 1/5 प्लस 5.6 इज इक्वल टू 7.1. 4.4 plus 2.7 7.1. So 7.1 is equal to 7.1. यही हमें प्रूव करना था. In next video we will discuss on second law.